Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time stopping by, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Anyways, today's video is a skincare video. Like I said in my previous video, guys, this year the goal is actually to glow, and we're going to do things that, you know, will take us further to that goal. You know what I'm saying? Yes. Today I'll be trying out this product, guys. Focus. I'll be trying out this product today. I'm very excited, guys, because I've watched a lot of videos and I've read a lot of things regarding this. I'm not going to bore you guys with long talk about this product because it's been on YouTube now for a while. It's the AHA 30% and BHA 2% peeling solution 10 minutes exfoliating facial. So which means I'm not supposed to have it on my face for more than 10 minutes. Let's read the direction on how to use these. Clean face and wait for skin to dry. My face is already dried. I've actually not done anything to my face. It's dried. I just cleaned it with wipes. Do not use on wet skin. Apply evenly across face and neck. I don't think I'll be applying it on my neck. I don't think so. I'm just going to apply it on my face. By the way, I got it yesterday from my favorite skincare plug, Love Your Skin. Where's the bag? I'll put her handle somewhere here for you guys to please follow her. Her products are really affordable. So like I said, I'm not going to bore you guys with too much talk. This is the product. I'm going to open it now. I've not opened it actually. So we're going to take it out. Yes. I'm just going to go ahead now and apply it gently. Please, oh, this thing should not touch me. It stings. One major thing about this product is when you're using it, please, you need to make sure you use SPF as often as possible. I don't think I'll be going out this week, but even while at home, I'll also use my SPF because I don't want any sunburn. Let me show you guys the SPF I use. This is my SPF. It's my first impression about this product, and I think I'll give updates as time goes. Maybe after this video, I'm going to give a 2 weeks update. So by next week, I will be filming an update on this product. Let me check my time, guys, please. I don't want to burn my face. So guys, I'm going to go wash my face now and I will be back. I have 3 minutes left, so I need to check my water because I need to make sure my water is warm enough. I just finished washing my face, guys. I've not even cleaned it. I just finished washing my face. I'm going to use this face towel. Is there any difference or it's just my eye? While using the peeling solution, the only things that I will be using on my face is this moisturizer. This moisturizer from The Ordinary also. This moisturizer and my SPF. So I'm going to moisturize my face now. I'm gonna moisturize my face. A girl is calling me. My friend is calling me. Let me call her back. I don't know where she is. She's the one calling me. She doesn't know that I'm filming. Is she not the one that called me now? Why is she not picking her phone? When someone calls your phone and you call them immediately and they don't pick. Hello? Didn't you just call me? She didn't pick. So she interrupted my YouTube video for her not to pick my call. Scum. Friends are scum. So guys, I'm going to go ahead now and apply my SPF. Just a little bit. This is my pattern of applying. That's all for today, guys. I'm going to keep you guys updated on how this thing goes, but for record, please look at this. I don't think this thing was here before, honestly. Anyways, we've come to the end of today's video. Please, before leaving, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel to support me, and leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know if you've tried this product, and yeah, I would love to read you guys' comments. Please leave them in the comment section. See you guys in my next video. Until then, stay blessed and stay beautiful.